Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. C.P. Sir of Namchi Government College and Sikkim University for providing me such a platform to make a video on the partial fulfillment of BSc Honours of 6th semester session February to July 2021. My name is Anusha Limbu, bearing roll number 18NS0014, and this video carries 25 marks instead of practical or sessional B of our exam. And my topic is Venn diagram generator. In this video, we are going to learn about introduction of Venn diagram generator, its invention, its principle, construction, working, application, and limitation. Introduction. Venn diagram generator is used to generate high potential difference of near about million volts. The high voltages generated by the generator can be used for accelerating subatomic particles to high speed, making the generator a useful tool for fundamental physics research. Invention. It was invented in 1929 by American physicist Robert J. Venn diagram. The potential difference achieved in modern Venn diagram generator can reach 5 megavolts. Principle of Venn diagram generator. It uses two principles of electrostatics. First, coronal discharge. Discharging action of sharp points, that is, electric discharge takes place in air or gases readily at pointed conductors. Second, if the charged conductor is brought into internal contact with the hollow conductor, all of its charges transfer to the surface of the hollow conductor and scatters uniformly over it, no matter how high the potential of the latter may be. Construction. As we all know that Venn diagram generator was invented by the American physicist Robert J. Venn diagram in the year 1929. Constructions of Venn diagram generator. A simple Venn diagram generator is made up of a belt of rubber running over a pair of rollers, one of which is surrounded by a hollow metallic sphere mounted on an insulated stand. Electrons emitter in the form of comb made up with sharp metal points is positioned near the lower roller in such a way that the comb is pointed towards the rubber belt. The comb is maintained at high positive voltage by external supply. Another comb called receiver comb is positioned and another upper roller and is connected to a hollow metal sphere. A motor is connected to the lower roller in order to move the belt, and when the motor is turned on, the belt moves over the pulley. Comb position near the bottom roller, which is connected to high positive potential energy, sprays positive charges on the outer side of the belt. Charges on the belt are carried upwards and are collected by the receiver comb on the top of the generator. Since the upper comb is connected with the hollow conductor, the charges get transferred to the hollow sphere. Since the belt continuously carries the positive charges to the upward direction, the spherical cells collect an enormous amount of charges and develop huge potential. It becomes difficult for the surface to hold more and more charges due to the force of repulsion between the like charges on the dome. When the potential of the spherical cell exceeds the breakdown value of air around the cell gets ionized and leakage of the charge takes place. As you can see the image of Venn diagram on the screen. As we all know that Venn diagram generator produces a beam of light of high frequency in the range greater than mega electron volt. Working of Venn diagram generator. As the belt passes in front of the lower comb, it receives negative charge that escapes from its point due to the influence of electric field around the lower pulley that ionizes the air at the points. As the belt touches the upper roller, it transfers some electrons, leaving the roller with a negative charge if it is insulated from the terminal, which added to the negative charge in the negative belt generates enough electric field to ionize the air at the points of upper comb. Electrons then leak from the belt to the upper comb and to the terminal, leaving the belt positively charged as it returns down and the terminal negatively charged. The sphere shields the upper roller and comb from the electric field generated by the charges accumulates at the outer surface of it, causing the discharge and change of polarity of the belt at the upper roller to occur practically as if the terminal were grounded. As the belt continues to move, a constant charging current travels via the belt and the sphere continues to accumulate negative charge until the rate that charges is being lost through leakage and corona discharge equals the charging current. The larger the sphere and farther it is from the ground, the higher will be the final potential. Application. They are used where a very high voltage and very low current is needed. It is used to accelerate projectiles like protons, neutrons, etc. to carry out different nuclear reactions. In medicine, such as beam are used to treat cancer, and it is used to study collision experiment in physics. Limitation. It is produced very low intensity of current as compared to voltage. Its maintenance and construction is costly and bulky. For air, a maximum of 3 million volt can be generated, as after that air will ionize. It cannot accelerate neutral particles. Thank you.